In the name of Almighty Allah. Hello, audience, and welcome to Dawn Times. So, today we will discuss about Political Science Paper 2 MCQs of CSS 2006. So, the first one is total number of amendments in US Constitution are. So, it is option A 27. Next one is tenure of an American senator is, so it is option B 6 years, just like in Pakistan. Next one is State Britain is a unitary system or a unitary state, so it is option A. Next one is total number of articles in US Constitution are, so it is option D, none of these. So total articles in US Constitution are 7, and it is also one of the shortest constitution in the world. Next one is amendments in the British Constitution can be made by the Parliament with, so it is option C, simple majority. Next one is all money bills in Britain are to be originated in, so option A, House of Commons. In majority of the democracies or countries, money bills are mostly generated in lower house or in national assemblies, just like in Pakistan or like in Lok Sabha in India. So option A, House of Commons. Next one is Magna Carta was signed in 1215, option A, during King John period, 1215. Next one is judicial review is a part of constitutional law in which country? So it is option B, United States. Judicial review is one of the distinctive feature of United States Constitution, and judicial review is a key to the doctrine of balance of power based on a system of checks and balance between the three branches of the federal government. Next one is total number of articles in the French Constitution is, so it is option D 89, and French is a leading European country. Next one is nature of Turkish Republic is, so it is option A secular. Next one is French system of government is, so option C mixed. In France there is a semi-presidential system of government with both a president and a prime minister, and the prime minister is responsible to the French parliament, and the French presidential our president is elected by option C, popular vote. And nowadays the French president is Emmanuel Macron. Next one is Indian president is elected by option B, parliament and state legislature, because there is a parliament in India, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, and there are states. So Indian president is elected by state legislature along with parliament. Next one is number of lists of power in Indian constitution. So it is option B 3, executive, legislative, and judiciary. Next one is reconstruction of religious thought in Islam. A famous book is written by Allama Muhammad Iqbal. Option A. And Islam shall be the state religion of Pakistan was made part of the constitution of Pakistan in which year? So it is option A, 1973. And any person who abrogates or attempts or conspires to abrogate the Constitution shall be guilty of high treason. is mentioned in the Constitution of Pakistan 1973 according to Article number 6, Option B, and General Pervez Musharraf was convicted under Article 6. So, Article 6 stands for high treason. Any person who abrogate, suspend, or attempt to conspire to uh, abrogate the constitution, so they shall be deemed to high treason. Next one is in China, the power of the people National Congress are used in daily routine by the standing committee. So it is option A, and there are also a standing committees in Pakistan, in Senate or in National Assembly. Next one is Mr. Jinnah presented his famous 14 points in reaction to option A, Nehru Report. So Nehru Report was presented in 1928 and Quaid-e-Azam 14 points was presented in 1929. So the Nehru Report of 1928 was a memorandum all parties conference in British India to appeal for a new Dominion status and a federal setup of government for the Constitution of India. It also proposed for the joint electorates with reservation of seats for minorities in the legislatures. Next one is dissolution of caliphate in Turkey by Mustafa Kemal was highly appreciated by a non-Muslim leader of the subcontinent who was, so it is Allama Muhammad Iqbal, option A. So it's all for today and thanks for watching Dawn Times. So I have focused on now on past paper of political science. Previously I have discussed about Islamiyat, Pak affair, current affair, and political science paper 1. So my next focus is international relation and other optional subjects. So please like and subscribe Dawn Times and click the bell icon for latest updates and notification. If you feel any questions, so you can ask below in comment section or you can ask through WhatsApp. So my main focus is to facilitate and help students, and after that I will start main topics of political science and other compulsory and optional subjects. So thank you and God bless you all.